Why do people love camping? I asked our community to share their photos and videos that illustrate their love for camping. Here's what they had to say. I love camping along the Pacific Ocean at Kirk Creek Campground near Big Sur, California. It's fun to watch the sea otters play in the water near our campsite. The smell of the ocean and the sound of crashing waves create a really unique camping experience. I've always wanted to visit Hearst Castle, which is near San Simeon and a short drive from the campground. That visit did not disappoint. Highway 1 was closed, so we were able to ride our bikes to experience the magnificent scenery in a very rare manner. Another exceptional outing was visiting nearby lighthouses and learning about ocean-bound navigating vessels and the people who tended them. Kayaking with plants and sea life in the ocean is a very different experience than being on lakes. Taking in the spectacular sunsets is the perfect way to end each day. Reading books. I enjoy decorating and camping in my retro Shasta camper. I love making camping crafts to use in my decor. Camping and hiking near Williams, Arizona is great. We enjoy finding time-worn structures in the wilderness. Boating and fishing on a lake with smooth as glass water is a real treat. It's almost guaranteed you're going to catch some trout on Dogtown Lake. This low-light area is filled with starry night skies. I love camping near Page, Arizona. It's wonderful exploring the beauty of Horseshoe Bend and Antelope Canyon. It's fun to experience Lake Powell by speedboat and hiking up to Rainbow Bridge. It's fun seeing sights like Glen Canyon Dam in the Glen Canyon National Recreation Area. What's your favorite thing about camping? Leave a comment below. I love taking the bus out, enjoying time with my friends and family at Palo Duro Canyon State Park near Amarillo, Texas. I love camping with our dogs. It's awesome boondocking in the Lizard Head Wilderness area near Telluride, Colorado. The best way to enjoy Colorado's gorgeous scenery is from an open-air scenic train, then enjoying dinner with a $1 million view through our RV window. I love relaxing in a hammock. We love dispersed camping for free at the Valley of the Gods in Utah. It's awesome taking photos and videos, especially when I get to fly my drone. This is a great place for flying a kite. From here, it's a short drive to the Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park. It's an interesting place to learn about the Western movies shot in this historic landscape. I love exploring the landscape surrounding Sherwin Creek Campground near Mammoth Lakes, California. It's fun riding the scenic bike paths that are surrounded by waterfalls, mountains, and trees. You can feel the magnificence of the rushing water at every single turn. This area is great because there are so many opportunities to paddle with our inflatable kayak. We love being the first people on the lake in the morning when we want to kayak on the crystal clear waters of Lake George. I love camping and exploring the red rocks of Sedona, Arizona. It was a thrill to experience a hot air balloon landing at our campsite. It's awesome hiking in the magnificent rock formations. We had a great time taking one of the Jeep tours, sightseeing and learning from local guides. It's great being off the grid in such a peaceful place, listening to the sounds of nature. I love camping on the banks of the Colorado River at Goose Island Campground near Moab, Utah. Backpacking in the wilderness among the stunning rock formations near Moab. Campfire cooking. Cornhole tournaments at RV rallies. Ultimate unplugged relaxation in Colorado's Rifle Gap State Park. I love relaxing while overlooking the valley floor from the magnificent Mogollon Rim in northern Arizona. There's tons of dispersed camping for free in the National Forest. It's exhilarating welcoming an elk to our campsite. He almost poses for pictures. We enjoy chopping wood and building campfires for warmth and cooking. Ah, the peaceful isolation here. We try to attract as many hummingbirds as possible. I always appreciate the orange and red glow of campfires and sunsets. I've adopted the motto, keep calm and camp on. I love indulging in a cool afternoon cocktail and a camp chair. I love bird watching and photography. It's fun watching butterflies gently traverse the area. I love camping and hiking in Alabama Hills near Lone Pine, California. We really enjoyed visiting the Museum of Western Film History when we were camping there. I love camping under the blue skies near Bridgeport, California. I love flying kites in wide open spaces. I love camping because we take our home with us everywhere we go and we take the scenic roads. It was fun exploring the beauty and history of Canyon de Chelly in the Navajo tribal lands. I loved seeing why Palm Springs, California got its name. I love camping in the Sonoran Desert. I appreciate the rugged splendor of the plants and animals that live there. It was interesting observing a tarantula leisurely cross the desert floor. I love hiking the Superstition Mountains near Apache Junction, Arizona. Arizona is a great place to explore on motorcycles. I love crackling campfires and enjoying toe-tapping music around them. I love leaf peeping anywhere, but especially in New England. I love camping in the Kofa National Wildlife Refuge near Yuma, Arizona. It's awesome spotting wildlife on quiet trails. It's great being off the grid in such a peaceful place. We always love bringing our cats and dogs on trips. Camping is extra special when you get to see beautiful rainbows.